Hey guys, so today I'm sharing what I eat in a day. I've been seeing so many videos like this and thought I'd do my own. So for breakfast, I'm making avocado toast on everything bagel with eggs and spinach as a topping with this olive oil, and yeah. So for lunch I'm having a kale salad, and here I'm just preparing the base with olive oil, garlic salt, and raisins. So this is how my lunch turned out. I just have the leftover avocado from breakfast, about half a tomato, some broccoli, and then this is quinoa and black beans for protein, and then the kale that I showed earlier is all underneath this. As a snack, I'll usually have one or two of these protein balls made from oats, peanut butter, flax seeds, chia seeds, and chocolate chips. This is a few hours later, but before my workout, I just needed a little snack, so I had some apple slices with organic peanut butter. So for dinner, I'm going to saute about a cup of chopped asparagus with a cup of chopped mushrooms, and then a serving size of these vegan meatballs for protein. So here's how my dinner turned out. I topped everything over white rice. Some days I'll even switch out rice with pasta depending on how I feel, but yeah. So for dessert, I went with my homemade banana bread, and I actually only ended up eating one of these slices.